Hello and welcome to Cluster Repairs UK, your trusted destination for professional Sat Nav display repairs, servicing and parts. In today's Repair Service Showcase, we're taking a closer look at the display repair service for the 2016 to 2024 Fiat 500 7-inch Sat Nav radio and infotainment display. This display is recognised to have a few common faults, such as an erratic or very slow to respond touchscreen, a touchscreen that no longer works, black marks and spots on the display, a white screen, or areas where parts of the display are missing. Here under test, you can see the touchscreen no longer functions correctly. At Cluster Repairs UK, we provide a complete display and touchscreen repair backed by a lifetime warranty, giving our customers complete peace of mind. After our full display and touchscreen repair service, the screen looks brand new and the touchscreen responds perfectly. We've been doing this since 1986 and we're proud to support customers around the world with 2 UK locations and award-winning service that's always here when you need it. Got a question or need a bit of help? Just hit the Ask Seller a Question button below. We're here if you need us. Thanks for watching, and from all of us at Cluster Repairs UK, happy repairing!